Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, your Salesforce username, an unlocked mobile device, and internet. Open the App Store, install Salesforce Authenticator, and sign into Salesforce in a browser. Once done, go to your Salesforce user settings and choose two-factor authentication or multi-factor. You'll see the option to connect an Authenticator app. Tap that, then in the app choose Add Account. This is the first actionable move. It links your account to a visible setup code. Now you scan or enter the setup token. In Salesforce, click Connect Authenticator, which shows a QR code. Open the app and tap Add Account, then scan QR or choose Manual Entry and paste the code. Once the app detects the account, it generates an approval notification and a rotating verification code. Approve the push or type the code back into Salesforce. This confirms possession. Make sure to keep both devices nearby until you see a success message, because that final exchange finalizes the pairing. Finish by confirming recovery options. Register an alternate phone or add one-time recovery codes so you won't lose access. Sign out and test the full login flow to ensure the Authenticator prompts and codes work as expected. If something fails, the most common fix is to sync your phone's time settings to network time. Mismatched clocks break codes. If the push never appears, revoke and re-add the app in Salesforce. Then repeat the scan and verification step to re-establish the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.